Hi, this is James Reaney with this week's Reaney's Pick in London Arts and Entertainment. There's so much to do in London, but there is only one place to be on Saturday at 2 p.m. and that is at Grooves. And there at Grooves, and we're honored to have him here, will be London sound artist Noise Level, aka Ed Matthews, playing from the new album Conceptual Continuity, playing as requested. We are thrilled to have Noise Level in the house with us today. On Saturday at 2 p.m. Noise Level, you will be at Grooves for a free in-store appearance. And for some reason, that reminds me that you can get all your arts and entertainment information every Thursday in the Today section of the London Free Press, and of course 24/7 at lfpress.com. This is James Reaney signing off and thinking about Slade. Come on, feel the noise level.